Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in the daily. Then after the daily, guys, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. So for swing trading, you're going to go to 4 hours. Then we got for you some news for tomorrow. And after that, we're going to go to 30 minutes to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So make sure to watch all the video from the start till the end. And if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash the like button to write down a comment. Support us, guys. So let's start, guys. As you see here, guys, that the daily candle here it's finished and it give us here a pin bar like that, as you see it, guys. Even if we zoom it like that, as you see, that pin bar will give us here, guys, that pin bar indicating there is no big power to push and to break that level here, guys. Yes or no? So what the view now? That one here, the candle here, the candle of which day? That one here is the candle of Monday. And the volume down here, let me show it to you. The volume down, guys, here is very, 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 very low. As you see it, the volume from the day of FTX and the volume, it started getting lower and lower. That means people, they are not interested yet. And watch me, I told you in yesterday video, I told you big players of the market, they haven't entered yet. They haven't entered yet. So for long term, not yet. For long term, it's still very, 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 very early, guys. And what me I told you for long term? I told you we got here that inside bar here. That one, if the market doesn't break here, there is no entry yet. That's what else we said, guys. And for all that week, what else we said? Let me show you. In Friday, by the way, the video of Friday, every week, also we giving you the view or the outlook for all the week. What else we said? We do two levels. That level here and that one here. Both of them we do them. That one here, the big wells, they said the Bitcoin, all that week it will not break in here above 17k. And it will not break below here 15k. And that candle here, what is indicating? It's indicating the Bitcoin it will fall down again, guys. That's why that candle here, it's indicating. So what shall you do now? Today is Monday. We need to wait in tomorrow what is going to tell us. Because Tuesday, that when the real market it started, guys. Make close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. Now let's go to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys. So let's go in there. The coming news, guys, for today, as you see it, we don't got something special here. The only thing we got Japan holiday. That's been the Tokyo market will not open. So you need to make a close eye at that one. Then we got the unemployment rate of Germany and manufacturing index for Britain or UK. Then we got CPI or inflation for Germany. And Germany is the most stronger country in European Union. And that will give you a very good view about the CPI or inflation in Europe. So the forecast here is going to come lower than the last month. Last month it used to be 10. This month is going to be 9.1. That one just for forex traders. And here our table, guys, that one also we see it every day. What it's telling us here, as you see it, US market, guys, all of it, they are red. And tomorrow is going to open US market. I'm going to make a video for you to analyze for you the SP 500 and the Nasdaq. So till now there is nothing new here. That one before the new year, it closing the year red. And here our friend the VIX, it's still above 20, guys. So it's still a little bit of scarcity inside the market. And you need to make a close eye even at that one. And the US dollar still in his place, so nothing was changed here. Now let's going back to the chart to analyze for you more, guys. And by the way, before we even go back to the chart, today someone is a developer for Bitcoin. They stole from his hot wallet 200 Bitcoin, guys, and that is a huge number. It's a very, very, very huge number. They stole it from his hot wallet. So guys, if you got money, use a cold wallet. That way, me have been telling you every time. If not, leave your crypto in Binance, because in Binance it's more safe than to using a hot wallet, because the hot wallet and exactly if you're using that device where you use that hot wallet or where you got that hot wallet, if you use it a lot to surf the internet and those things, you don't know the hackers what they will do to enter to you. So be careful, guys. I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going back to the chart to see what is it there. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, also we enter short from here. Down here, we protecting ourselves. And here, what me I told you, some people, they went I told you last video, we got here a head and shoulder, they went say it. That head and shoulder, now it's bringing the take profit now. So you don't need to stay with it for long now. I told you guys here for the last video, we got here a flag like that, as you see it. And I told you, till now, also we still sideways inside it. If it doesn't break in here, there is no entry long, and that one is just a continuation pattern, guys. That means it's indicating the market is going to fall down. So now it's waiting if it's going to break here or not. If it's breaking here, that means we are going to go down till that level here down at 15k. And I got something else for you guys. Let me show it to you. If you see here, if you remember, let me show it to you. You remember here what else we said? We said here we got a up channel like that. Yes or no? That the lower of it, that white one, and that the top of it here. When it touch here, we said we hope from here is going to go up till here. But what it's showing to us now, guys, here. Look with me here, very, very close here in that level, here where we are. What it's showing, guys, it came here, it's breaking here, the lower of that channel. It came, it gave us here a low. Now that one it came, it couldn't enter again. It touches here. So for us to know it's a downtrend, it's need that one to fall down and to break for us that last low, which is here. If it came down and break it for us here, we are going to here, guys. We are going to 15k. So till now, guys, we are not yet. The market haven't changed. It doesn't give us a price action indicating the market is going to change. Unless if that one tomorrow came and breaking up here and breaking for us that channel here, that one, that's something good. That's when the Bitcoin will go back upward here. That's something very good, guys. But as I show you in the options, people of the options, they said it will not break that 17k. And 17k is at that level here. So it's going to break lower here, guys. So also we enter short from here. Till now, also we still holding our short position. There is nothing was changed. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our indicators were the same for pictures to be more clear to you. So it's going there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's breaking here, that trend line here. As you see it, and it change here. Now it's enter to the place where is the bulls, they controlling. So now us here in the 4 hours, we are in a bull market, but it's not yet. That's why me, I still believing it's not yet, guys, because I'm going to show you something very, very, very important here in the 4 hours. So let me show it to you. Look with me here, guys. Look with me here. If we came to that one here, to that one, and we came to that one, what you got? If you see in here in the chart, that one is falling down. But here in our indicator, guys, what it's showing to us? It's showing to us it's going up. So we got, guys, here a hidden divergence. You see it or not? Not the power between us and other people, because us, that's our job, guys. Us, we earning our living not from here in YouTube. Us, we earning our living from trading. Us here, we are not lying down on YouTube. Me, that 2 or 3 days I haven't put any videos here. And me, if I show you the earning from that YouTube channel, you're going to laugh. That YouTube channel doesn't bring me even £20 per month. So me, I will pay my bills by £20. But I just explaining those things to you guys. You got here a hidden divergence, guys. Look at it. Very, very, very clear here. Let me show it to you. For picture to be more clear to you. If you came here, what you see from that zone here to that one here, you are going up, yes or no? If you go to the chart, let me show it to you. What you got here in the chart, from that zone here to the one here, guys. Here, it's falling down. In our indicator, it's going up. In our indicator, that one is up. So that one is a hidden divergence, guys. So where is the low? It's need to come to break here, guys. If it's breaking here, and I'll show you even the one in the other side. If it's breaking here, it's going to fall down, guys. Remember that. That way me I told you need to be careful. And that way me I show you the lower of the channel is getting broke here. Look at it. Go back here to touch it here. Now if it fall down and breaking here, even the hidden divergence is telling us that. So also what we got here, we got a hidden divergence here. Here in that zone, we got a hidden divergence, guys. And another thing, we break that trend line. Now we go back, we touch it here and we couldn't break it. And even the volume down here, it show a big volume, guys. Look at it. Even here in the volume, you got here a divergence like that. If you came to that red one, like that, you got a divergence. So all those things, they're indicating that the market is going to reverse very, very, very sharply, guys. So now what should we do, guys? Maybe from here, you're going to see it falling down. I'll show you how to enter short. Maybe from here, you're going to see it going upward. Also, we don't care, guys. Also, we got all the scenarios opened and we're still waiting what's going to happen. Let's go now to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. So it's going there. The one here, as you see it, it's enter here to the oversold area. The price action we got here is that channel here. If it doesn't get broke, there is no entry long. Yes or no? So channel also still far away from that break here. But if it came down here and break it lower here, we will enter short, guys. Also, already we got a short position here. Yes or no? So what should we do, guys? Nothing now. Because if you're looking with me here, look, you got here a up channel like that. That channel is getting broke here. It give us here a small head and shoulder for scalpers. Now it's bringing the target. And that one is just Monday candle, guys, here. That break here or that going upward will happen today. It's just Monday candle and there is no big whales in the market. Actually, just market makers in the market now. So the market makers, they just try to trap you. So if tomorrow came down and breaking here, that last low here, you're going to see it going down, guys, till here, till 15k. It will not break 15k, but we're still going down, guys. And here, what I told you before, people they been with us. I told you we got here a head and shoulder like that. Till now, it doesn't break the lower of it. But if it's going to break it, we are going to that 10k, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for today, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, people they've been with us for some time. What else we said? That before the new year, we said it from here. We said we have here a channel. It's breaking here. I told you guys interlong. Yes or no? Look, tell where it came. Tell here. Yes or no? And I told you something else here. I told you got here a cup and handle here in the last video. When it's breaking here, it's bring for you the target. Look at it. Exactly, guys. Exactly here. I told you the target is going to be here in that last peak. Here, let's bring it. Yes, guys. And what me I told you for the short, I told you got here a triangle like that. It used to be here a triangle. It doesn't break down here. So there is no entry short. But now look what it given us here, guys. It given us here a double top here. If it came a break lower here, enter short. Why? I'm going to tell you why to enter short. Let me show you, guys. Where is our indicator? Is it here at the overbought area? So now us we need to look in just for short opportunity. We got here a price action. Yes, then now there is no candle breaking lower here for us to enter short. So we need to wait in a little bit. We can even do it like that. We draw in here like a wedge like that, guys. If it's breaking lower here, yes, you can enter short, guys. It's the same thing. Nothing was changed. Our other indicator, I want to show you something very important in it. Let's go in there. That one here, guys, look at it. Look here and look here. You got a very, very, very clear divergence here in that indicator of us, guys. Look at it. In that place here, it touched the overbought area. Second time, it came higher than the first one in that one. Yes or no? So here in that indicator of us, it's falling down. And here, it's going up. So that one, it's indicating the market is going to reverse. Now for you to enter short, what you need to do? Look with me. You see that wedge us we draw in here? You wait it. If it's breaking here, you enter short. Take profit of you. It needs to be down here, guys. In that place. But the first scenario, maybe from here is going to come and to break upward here. Should you enter long? Yes. If it came and breaking here up, you enter long. There is no problem in that. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.